Love, for all its fire and brilliance, is no exception. When daylight fades and silence settle over what once bloomed with laughter and closeness, we begin to realize that some endings are as inevitable as nightfall. Love doesn't always live in loud exits or shattered vows. Sometimes it slips away slowly, tenderly, like dust stealing the color from the sky. It softens, dims, and fades until you realize that the warmth you used to feel has turned into a quiet chill. It's not always cruel. Sometimes it's just time. We began in the morning, bright, full of promise. Everything was new then. The way you look at me, the way we learned each other, the way our hearts opened, like sunflowers leaning into light. I believe in forever, not because I was naive, but because what we have made me hope. But even the longest day must come to a close. I can't pinpoint when the light began to dim. Was it in the small silences that crept between our words? Was it the soft lights that replaced laughter? Or was it in the growing weight of unsaid things? We tried, I know we did, but love, like sunlight, cannot be forced to linger past its hour. Letting go felt like watching the sunsets on the last day of summer. You want to hold on, you want just a few more minutes, but the sky doesn't wait. Neither does time. So I stood still and watched as the light we shared slipped behind the horizon, leaving behind only the soft ache of memory and the quiet dignity of a story concluded. Yet, I don't regret it. Some loves are meant to last a lifetime. Others are meant to teach us how to feel deeply, how to lose gracefully, and how to cherish something even as it slips through our fingers. You were my daylight, brief but blinding, and I was yours, if only for a season. When daylight fades, what remains is the truth that we lived it fully, and in that truth, there is peace. This final chapter doesn't erase the ones that came before. Every page mattered, every word written in the ink of our shared time is still part of me. Even in the dark, I carry the glow of what we were. Love doesn't vanish, it transforms. It becomes part of who we are, even after the light is gone. So, as I close this chapter, I do so gently with both hands and with gratitude because I was lucky to love. I was lucky to feel. And though this is the end of us, it is not the end of love. There comes a moment in every story, no matter how passionately it was written, when the final chapter must be turned. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Love ya!